Hi friends, today we are going to talk about the tool that has been used to sell goods and services from eternity. Demonstrate or discount. The philosophy behind this tool to sell has stayed the same. If one is not able to demonstrate uniqueness in the product, then they must resort to offering discounts. In the current situation, the option to demonstrate your product physically is challenged. If you are not able to demonstrate enough, the option left is to offer a higher discount. Diamonds are assumed to be priced based on four C's: the cut, color, clarity and carat weight. But this is too simplistic or wishful to be true. Let's check the price of excellent cut, excellent symmetry RBC of G color VS2 purity in the size range of 1 carat to 101. On a known integration platform, you will see many pieces available to buy with a huge price variance. Here in this example, you will see 530 diamonds ranging in the price from $6,044 to $8,045, which is 33% more expensive than cheapest available diamond. This difference will be much higher for fancy shaped diamonds or diamonds with lower clarity grade. Let's draw an analogy with cars. Just assume you are shopping online for a car and you have only 4 simple describing parameters. Like say for example, a blue color, petrol engine, manual gear, 4-door sedan with a curb weight of 1575 kg and gross weight of 20 to 20 kg. Will this help you in making the decision? Probably no. So you will ask for more details. Let's assume the following parameters are added in the field of design. The car has 4-cylinder engine with piston size of 79 mm and a stroke of 81 mm with total displacement of 1590 cc. With first gear ratio of 4.927 and 2 overdrives with ratio of 0.97 and 0.82. The car has a height of 182 cm and a wheel diameter is 19 inches. Does this help? No? Then are we doing anything different while selling diamonds? We tell the client that the cushion cut diamond that I am offering has crown angle of 38.5 degree, pavilion angle of 39.2 degree, total depth of 68%, pavilion depth of 56%, girdle break of 56 degree and break height of 21%. Do you think this helps in any way for the buyer to understand the diamond or learn how it looks? Before we move further, let's try to understand major challenges of selling diamonds. Diamonds and its similants offer very unique optical feature which no other object offers. It offers brilliance, which is an illusionary brightness. That illusion is built out of local contrast in diamond due to its static look in presence of an observer. The way black and white pattern will change when the diamond or the observer moves, and the conflicting information our brain will get when we see the diamond through 2 eye channels. We will talk about brilliance some other time. But we have to understand that it is very difficult to judge such optical features from description. Even a static nice image may not help much. In this slide, you can see that a diamond has 3 very important optical features which makes them so desirable. The buyer sees that diamond can be beautiful in different ways and trigger different emotions. The seller has to explain the role of the light and help the buyer understand his preference through parameters that appeal to the emotional or rational brain, so as to help select the most personality matching diamond. The second most important challenge while selling diamond online is its size. The diamond as a product is very small. It is difficult to see the details and compare diamonds for newbies without special training. Here you can see the relative size of a car, a mobile phone and a diamond. You can hardly see the diamond on this slide. So, what is important for the buyer to understand the diamond better while buying online? It is not easy to justify the difference in diamond's performance forget justifying the price difference. Currently, this takes a lot of time and requires constant tiring push from the seller because diamonds are very small objects and even experts cannot spot fine details remotely. Diamonds, and for that matter, all luxury products have considerably high emotional value. Unless we strike the emotional note of the ultimate buyer, it is difficult to complete a deal. But at the same time, the trade buyer will take a call based on rational thinking. She would like to understand what is there for her in the deal. Images and videos are food for irrational brain, while numbers and scores are food for the rational brain. Only high quality nice movies and relevant optical performance scores can help the buyer understand the diamond. These two information should sink in very well. Such information should be fun and should give interesting experiences. Cool to share movies and images help fit emotions and uniqueness of appearance. So, what is important for the buyer? Large scale videos and pictures, clearly demonstrating diamond's actual appearance and beauty, that is diamond's impression, and the optical performance numbers, both are necessary. So, we learned that 4 C's are not good enough to evaluate the diamond and make a buying decision. The 4 C's has to be expanded to help buyers understand the diamond better and take a call based on this new set of information. When it comes to color, the face-up color is more important for the customer. Similarly, it is important to see the transparency of the material. Si1 grade, due to milkiness in a stone, makes it much less desirable compared to a stone with an Si1 grade because of solid inclusions. When it comes to size, the face-up size, visual size, is much more important for the buyer than the carat weight of the diamond. Similarly, the diamond has to perform optically. It is important to know how well the diamond is designed and cut to bring out its beauty. Here you can see some of the important observations necessary for the buyer to understand a diamond while buying it. Such observations will help them understand diamond beauty, like sapphire and brilliance, clarity, symmetry, color and fluorescence. Such videos demonstrate two very important features of diamond, the fire and brilliance. Of course, you see scintillation also here. This media helps the buyer understand the clarity part of the diamond grading. They can see the inclusion chart and better understand how this will affect transparency of the diamond. This media talks about positive attribute of the diamond defining uniqueness and of craftsmanship. The lab grading color observation gives much needed confidence to the buyer. At the same time, such information lets the buyer understand the influence of fluorescence on the diamond's view under different lighting environment. A diamond with positive fluorescence will look much more whiter in an outdoor environment which has more UV light content. Here you can see the look of the diamond in lab grading fluorescence lighting. All the media thus collected should be translated to score so as to feed a rational brain. The trade buyer has to understand how and why this diamond should be selected and how she can propose this diamond to the retailer or the end customer. The buyer has to understand what is there for them in terms of profitability. Fire is colored flashes that we observe in colorless diamonds. Perceived fire strength depends on colored flashes quantity, size, duration, brightness, saturation and distribution. This slide helps you understand how the fire score is arrived at. Crushed cushion on the left has very small amount of invisible fire, and the diamonds on the right has much larger and longer visible fire flashes. The old mile style RBC has even more prominent fire flashes. As I mentioned earlier, the diamond brilliance is an illusion caused by the fact that the perceived brightness of an object significantly exceeds its actual brightness. Optical symmetry score helps buyer understand the craftsmanship gone behind the diamond design and its making. The fluorescence grade with the image gives them much needed confidence. Diamonds with the same weight can have different visible size depending on their shape. The visual size is described by the spread characteristics. Positive spread means that a diamond looks larger than Tolkowsky round with the same weight, and negative means opposite. Spread is a very important and relevant information for the buyer. After all, she is buying the diamond to see how big it looks in a ring and not how heavy it weighs on her finger. All diamonds you see here on this slide weighs 1 carat, but they have very different face-up size appearance. The marquise on top left has almost twice the face-up size compared to the cushion on bottom right, though both the diamonds have 1 carat size. Thus, you can see how extension of forces help to compare diamonds. High resolution movies captured under dark field environment can be used to explain clarity. The right top corner Si1 has a very similar look to bottom left Si2 stone. They can be explained using naked eye, loop or microscope magnification. Such profiles can be prepared to demonstrate various performance characteristics to the customer. Finally, though the video and image media made available to the buyer are unedited, the buyer may have certain reservations in the initial period of time. This is one of the challenges of online sales of small luxury articles like diamonds. To win buyer's confidence, the diamonds can be shown to the buyer live over video call using Cutwise Live through mobile cameras. Why mobile cameras? Mobile cameras are the best known cameras to boost confidence, as the person on both ends know such camera output. Thank you.